Walt Disney World again this morning. We're off to Magic Kingdom. That's what we love about Florida skies. Big, open, cloudless, sunny.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, in just 5 minutes, all of the lands of the Magic Kingdom will be opening.
Yeah. Oh, we made it for rope drop again. I don't know actually how we've done that. It's absolutely glorious. And I think we're going to actually make it in time to see the presentation at the castle for rope drop, which we've never ever seen before. Let's see if I can walk far enough and quick enough. Look at it, it's beautiful.
Welcome to this magical kingdom. My name is Tobias Quinn of the Royal Majesty Makers, and I must say I'm so pleased to be here in front of Cinderella Castle. Oh goodness, look at the time! I better get right to it. It is hereby decreed that all are welcome in this happy place, where the young and the young at heart can explore and laugh and play together. Here, where magic awaits you around every corner, bursting with the joy and inspiration to make your dreams come true. And to officially welcome you today is the one, the only, Mickey Mouse!
Well, hi everybody! Oh gosh, it sure is great to see so many good friends. So, are you excited to be here today? Well, I thought so. Oh, hey pal, thanks for getting things started. And now that we're all together, I've got a surprise for you. You see, when folks from around the kingdom heard you were going to be here, well, they just had to come and give you a great big
Right, we've just had coffee at Starbucks and we've just had another muffin. So we're ready to go now. Without coffee, just can't get started. So we're now just walking over to Big Thunder Mountain. The kids have got fast passes for that. I'm a bit of chicken on that, I scream too much. And then we're all going on Splash Mountain. Just going past the castle now. Isn't it beautiful? We're not going to catch the fireworks tonight, but we're coming back on Saturday afternoon and we're staying for the evening. What we've rediscovered this holiday, and I should know better, we're trying to do all day in the parks, and because we're only here for 7 days, I'm trying to do everything so we don't miss out. But in fact, that's just way too much. You're just so exhausted, and you've got to get the right footwear, which we didn't do this time, or rather I didn't do. So today we're trying to do 6 hours, 7 hours here. Then we're going to go off to Volcano Bay and have a nice swim and go on the lazy river, and Savin Blake no doubt will go on the big slides, and then a restful night. And on Saturday we're going to try and do the flip, so we'll go to the Volcano Bay in the morning, have rest, and then come over here late afternoon and for the evening because it's open till midnight. So that's the plan. The only problem is you get so excited and it's so magical, you just don't want to leave. But to preserve your knees, to preserve your temper, and to keep going, I really think we need to. So we're now just walking into Liberty Square and the Hall of Presidents. I really love that. And they've got the new Trump animatronic in there as well, but I really enjoy that. And I enjoy all the history and all about Abraham Lincoln. And it's actually the same, he had the same birthday as Blake. or Blake has the same birthday as him, I should say. So yeah, I love that. But here we go now into Liberty Square. There's the Hall of Presidents. It was closed for a long time. I think it was nearly a year from memory. And you've got the boat over there, but at the moment that's closed. They're refurbishing that. And then over here we have the Liberty Bell, and it's actually a replica of the original. And once they made it, they actually broke the mould and destroyed it. So this is the only replica of the actual Liberty Bell. It's very hard vlogging, bear with me. This is our first week of doing it. I'm finding it very strange. I feel quite awkward at times. The kids go, Mum, you're going to show everyone how crazy you are. But I am crazy, that's me, and I don't mind. And apparently I've been doing it all wrong. I meant to record myself talking rather than what I'm looking at. So it's a lesson in progress, a learning experience. So bear with me, keep with me, and if you enjoy it, and then hopefully I'll get better. We've got a few trips booked for this year. I'm actually coming over another 3 times. We're coming back to Florida twice, and also going across to Disneyland, which we've never been to. So I'm really excited to see how that varies. And we've also sneaked a trip to Vegas, which I do like a flutter. I do like the roulette table. I do like the bottom third on the roulette table. I do like putting coins on, well, chips on every single number on the bottom third, apart from especially numbers 28, 33, 36, my favourite numbers. So I think Phil's panicking a little bit after he booked that one. But yes, so bear with me. We'll see how this goes. And hopefully I'll get better, and hopefully you'll see the mad moments, because at the moment every time I'm a bit crazy the camera's off. So don't want to be too serious, because I'm not serious as those of you who know me know. So I've been watching lots of the other vloggers, and there's lots of different foods we want to try. So whether we'll get round to it or not, I don't know. We want to try the Cheshire Cat tails, which by the looks of it is just a very long pan au chocolat with icing on, but very long and thin. They've also got the Dole Whip ice cream, which is like pineapple mixed with vanilla, I believe, on top of an upside down pineapple cake. So again, that's another one we want to try. So this is the drop. And normally when we do these, I just hold my breath, puff my cheeks out and look like a squirrel, and try not to scream. So, we're on Splash Mountain with my Mac.
Oh, Mac.
Oh, here we go. Oh, why? Here we go. We sing it. Yippity-doo.
Wrong song.
Yippity-doo. Can I sing it? Oh, come on, hold on. Oh, I've been caught. I thought it was dark. I got the sunglasses on. I think the big drop's coming, is it? It's a big drop. That wasn't the big drop. I don't know what I think. me. I'm going to cover the camera. Oh dear. Oh no. What are we doing? Oh dear. Okay. Funny face. He's coming. 2, 3. I love water rides. I love water rides.
You like it?
I love water rides. I've practiced it enough times, I believe it. Oh God. Did you notice that my tonsils taken? Oh dear. We made it. We wanted to try some pineapple Dole Whip, which is pineapple ice cream with the upside down cake, and here we have it. I think this is going to be very decadent, and I think it's going to get very messy.